Flashing red.
And it's flashing red.
Okay.
Takes a second.
Here we are. My little sexy supermodel. Last day after a 2-week holiday in Flims. What day is it? 2012. Alright. I'm gonna, get my sweetness kits out of the way. Okay, here's a quick panorama of the Swiss Alps. Sun out, sun out, sun out, sun out. It's all kind of frozen, crusty stuff now. So I'm going to hit these bumps and see what happens. So now I've turned the video on. The last one was excellent. I'm bound to wipe out. And then I'm going to record a sexy supermodel doing the same thing. Alright, off I go. That was that. Woohoo! Okay, here comes Rebecca. No swearing because I'm on camera. Here she comes. Hoppity hop turns. It's pretty steep. It might look flat, but it's pretty steep. Awesome! Wonderful rhythm with a big old smile.
Excellent.
You want to take it off the flashing,
Yeah.
flashing red, save the juice.
Yeah.
Still flashing red.
Still flashing.